Welcome back to the Mills Factor Podcast, midday recap on Virgin Galactic. Look, if you want to learn more about trading or you want to get started trading, investing, options, any of that stuff, you can use the links below, Robinhood, WEBULL, to sign up, get your account. Yes, I still use Robinhood. I've explained why. I also use WEBULL and TD Ameritrade and sometimes Cash App. So I use all of these different things. And Voyager. I definitely have a Voyager code too, if you want to trade crypto. But right now, we're going to talk about my unpopular opinion on Friday, which was about Voyager, saying Voyager was going to give it up in gap fill. I'm going to come back and say I'm going to eat half my words on that because it did gap fill down to 52. I was thinking maybe we would see high 40s, mid to high 40s. And when I say gap down, I mean, I would expect it to actually take a hit probably somewhere into this resistance right here, 49, maybe the 46 level. It did come back down to the daily low of 52, and it's recovering. And I'm going to be completely honest, my put was almost in the money. It was so close to being green. It was like 15 cents away from being green. And I watched the price action today, and I ended up selling it. I didn't want to hold it because the theta was too much. It was just going to be a lot to hold. I made it as a swing, and I bought a call. I actually bought two calls. I bought one, and then it kind of took a hit up here, and I bought it on the way up, and it took a little hit. So I'm still holding them. They're not green right now, but I'm going to stay bullish with you guys only because it has held this line so well. It's held this $54 area a little better than I expected it to. I needed to hold it even better for my option to pay out. I'm down 20% right now on that play. However, it is looking strong to continue an uptrend. Right now, we're in a bullish pattern. Like I said before, I don't consider this run up here to be a continued variant of this. We're going to look for it to kind of fall back into this trend prior to that run up. That's what we need to happen. It needs to just kind of hover up there. And I figured it would probably end up doing that. It just would take a little longer to get there. And all you guys who were super stoked about pre-market, look, man, this is why I don't trust pre-market. It went up. It was up like 6-7%, and then it came back down, did not open there. So that's where we're at with Spce. I'm going to hold this overnight. I'm definitely going to swing it and see where Spce goes. I'm not saying it's going to $80. I'm not going to say that. I'll say maybe you could see with Spce in the 60s. I'm going to be bullish to the 60s, and we'll see how this plays out. But if you guys are still holding, the contracts are so volatile that it's tough to say yay or nay as to whether or not you should hold them long term if you have options expiring on Friday. Just keeping that completely in the open for you. Other than that, you know what? I eat some of my words. I said I was going to be bullish on it long term, but in the immediate, I did see a little bit of a sell off. I thought it would be more. I think it dipped like 4%, which is nothing when it gapped up 40%, giving back fours. Not that much in retrospect. So looking for Spce to be bullish. I'll see you guys on the other side. Let me know what you think.